Alright mga kawanes, magandang umaga. So, nandito na naman tayo mag-uusap-usap patungkol sa isang usapin that is circulating around mga kapatid sa ating mga kapwa mananampalataya. I am part of a one group no na kung saan nagkakaroon kami ng mga discussion at nasagi po ito or nasama po ito sa aming usapin patungkol po the Spirit of Jesus Christ, no? So, yung argument, yung other side, yung kanilang paniniwala, they believe that Jesus Christ has two spirit or dual spirit, which is the Holy Spirit and the human spirit. While on our side, on our part, we believe that Jesus Christ has only one spirit, which is the Holy Spirit, which is ito yung ating magiging ito yung ating pinakamalaking talaga ngayon, pinakamalaking usapin na ating sasagutin dito sa ating live, no? So, in their side, they believe that the Spirit of Jesus Christ is two dahil, di ba yung sinasabi nila na sa Luke chapter 23 verse 46 na Jesus Christ said that, Father, I commit to you my spirit, that is the human spirit daw, according to them, and the Holy Spirit of Jesus Christ as well, which is kung bakit naging deity si Jesus Christ. So as an apostolic, we all believe or we all agree that the Spirit of Jesus Christ is the Holy Spirit kasi nga, yun ang nagkaroon siya ng dual nature. Now, in our side, we disagreed na mayroong dual nature si Jesus Christ, no? So, I will go on to answer that. I will go on to refute to their argument that there is only one Spirit in Jesus Christ. So, according to Ephesians chapter 4 verse 4, that there is only one body, there is only one Spirit, no, na tumawag sa atin. So, we are in one body dahil tinawag tayo ng isang Espiritu lamang. And tinanggap natin ang isang Espiritu. According to Romans chapter 8 verse 9, if we don't have the Spirit of Christ, we are not of God. So kung wala tayong Espiritu ni Jesus Christ, ay hindi tayo sa Diyos. So ang subject doon sa Romans chapter 8 verse 9 is singular. So if we don't have the Spirit of Christ, hindi po sinabi na if we don't have the spirits. So hindi siya plural. It is in singular form. Ibig sabihin, meron lamang isang subject or medium na pinapatungkulan sa Romans chapter 8 verse 9. At ito ay binibigyan ng diin or binibigyan ng katibayan or sinusuportahan po ng Ephesians chapter 4 verse 4. Okay, sabihin natin given na there is dual spirit. So, dito tayo mag-focus sa Romans chapter 8 verse 9, no? So, sabi doon, if we don't have the Spirit of Christ, we are not of God. So, ang tanong, alin sa Espiritu ni Jesus Christ ang ating tinanggap? Kasi singular lang yun eh. Singular lang ang pinag-uusapan sa Romans chapter 8, verse 9. Ngayon, kung isa lang palang tinanggap natin, if it is only the Holy Spirit, ibig sabihin, hindi pa rin tayo sa Diyos. Kasi, meron pang natitira, meron pang human spirit, di ba? So, given lang yun. Pero, dahil there is only one Spirit of Jesus Christ, so ibig sabihin, mali na yung kanilang argumento based on Romans chapter 8 verse 9. So, nagkukontra ito sa Biblia or sa salita ng ating Panginoon. So, I hope na maliwanag po ang ating naging paliwanag dito at God bless po mga kawanes at nawa ay kayo ay na pinagpala na makinig ng salita ng ating Panginoon.